Hello. We've got a bit of an unboxing. Haven't done one of these for quite some time, but it came through the post. It's a loot crate. It's a Deadpool loot crate, quite specifically so. And I happen to have a cheese knife on me because take a look. Let's take a quick look inside the Deadpool consumer cheese slice. Okay, now Loot Crate, as you know, has had some problems in the past few years. There's a recently, or more relatively recently, there's a new company running the whole thing. So let's see what we're going to get this time. Because I say one thing I've just noticed, it's quite busting out of the seams here. You notice that? That's quite. It's maybe I can't like that. It's a bit fuller than maybe it should be. Let's see. All right. Okay. Hey. Thank you very much. So, always good to have a bit of a innuendo to kick off. So we start with we have a Deadpool toy, and I have two children who will fight with us. Well, I mean, I say they would have done. I mean, okay, they're 15 and 12 now, but odds are no. Actually, I think Deadpool may well be fought over, unless I have it. Let's see what happens. What else we got in here? I think this isn't bad. There's a few things. We have a shirt. It's a. Oh, I see. So it's a. So it's a no Deadpools. Deadpool's banned. Yeah, go on then. Very much an anti. ClubMerc. I put a ClubMerc high. Deadpool banned. Oh, I see. Yeah, so that's quite entertaining. I'm not sure. Would I wear this? Yeah, I probably would. I can baffle the world. What else we got? Pretty good. I'm quite happy with this so far. There's a pin. Always nice to have a little loot pin. And yeah, with the Deadpool Kidpool and the kind of Spider-Mobile, Deadpool-mobile thing. Alright, so we've got Kidpool, we've got Deadpool, the Deadpool ClubMerc. Okay, so to see, now I can see what this is from the sound outside. This is an ages 15 plus tumbler. So what could be on the tumbler that will make it so 15 plus? I mean, is it just that it's made of glass and you could just throw it at someone? Yeah, that might be. So Kidpool, Deadpool, but apparently it's a Kidpool who's 15 plus. What else do we have? I will definitely be using that tumbler. Ah, this is quite nice. Alright, okay, here we go. This looks to be a, sorry for the rustling, bag of sorts. I think. Satchel of some variety. Oh no, just a... It's a maximum effort while lying down. Satchel bag of sorts. Now, I've always got lots of stuff, as you can see around me. So, yeah, okay. I will... No, I can put the contents of this in there. But no, I will be keeping that. This, definitely use. T-shirt, it may have to go on me. Tumbler, oh yes. Deadpool, totally and utterly. This is maybe my favourite things. One of my favourite things. And there's some more information, and they're doing like Loot Crate kind of thing, more information about that kind of thing. And yeah, Deadpool ClubMerc. So there we are. This is the Deadpool ClubMerc box with the official Deadpool ClubMerc T-shirt. Although it's anti-Deadpool. I'm not entirely sure on the logic there. It'll turn up, I'm sure. Yeah, Deadpool the win. And yeah, alright, okay. I'm quite happy with that. That's a definite. I would say that's a Deadpool thumbs up for that one. And if you are a Deadpool person, I have to say I kind of am. Then yeah, this is definite books. Well, in my case, it literally does have my name written all over it because that's it was addressed to me. But it'll be addressed to you too. So there you go. Thank you very much for sending me that little Deadpool box to look through. And I'm sorry, I just can't wait any longer. There's the idea that keep it in plastic down there. See. I can just keep doing this. Is that right? Just a few more seconds.